truck fans, welcome back to Auto Nihon, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Toyota Tundra, the latest iteration of Toyota's legendary full-size pickup. Now, while this isn't a complete redesign, there are plenty of exciting updates that make this third-generation Tundra even more capable, comfortable, and ready for adventure. Let's break it down. First up, fuel capacity. Gone is the smaller tank option. Every 2026 Tundra now comes standard with a massive 32.2-gallon fuel tank, or about 122 liters if you're metric-minded. That means longer drives between fill-ups, whether you're hauling gear or just cruising cross-country. And speaking of hauling, Toyota has made some key upgrades here too. Every single trim level now gets a tow hitch and a 7/4-pin trailer harness connector as standard equipment. So no matter which version you choose, you'll be ready to tow right off the lot. And when properly equipped, the Tundra still boasts a max towing capacity of 12,000 pounds. Impressive, right? Now, let's talk power, because the heart of any great truck is what's under the hood. The 2026 Tundra sticks with two excellent twin-turbo V6 options, mated to a smooth-shifting 10-speed automatic transmission. First, there's the iForce twin-turbo V6, producing up to 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. If you opt for the base SR grade, those numbers drop slightly to 348 GP and 405 lb-ft. But trust me, it's still plenty powerful. Then there's the beastly iForceMAX twin-turbo V6 hybrid. This hybrid system cranks out an insane 437 horsepower and a whopping 583 lb-ft of torque. It's perfect for anyone who needs serious grunt without sacrificing efficiency. With these engines, the Tundra proves it can handle anything from daily commutes to heavy-duty workloads, and do it with style. If you're into off-roading, the TRD Pro is going to grab your attention. For 2026, it introduces a stunning new color called Wavemaker, a striking blue hue that looks like it was pulled straight out of the ocean. But the real game changer here is the optional ISO dynamic seats. These seats use a built-in shock absorber system borrowed from the Tacoma TRD Pro to absorb bumps and vibrations during rough rides. Translation: you stay comfortable even when the terrain gets gnarly. Toyota didn't forget about comfort and luxury either. Inside, the limited trim now comes standard with leather upholstery, elevating the cabin feel instantly. Meanwhile, double cab models benefit from added convenience with rear center console air vents, ensuring everyone stays cool or warm on long trips. And then there's the top-tier capstone trim, which features exclusive shale premium, textured leather-trimmed upholstery. It's soft, stylish, and screams premium. One of the coolest things about the Tundra is how customizable it is. You've got 7 trims to choose from, including the rugged TRD Pro, the luxurious capstone, and the classic 1794 edition. Body styles include the versatile double cab and spacious CrewMax, paired with bed lengths ranging from 5.5 feet to a whopping 8.1 feet. There truly is a Tundra for everyone. So there you have it, the 2026 Toyota Tundra. With a bigger fuel tank, enhanced towing capabilities, powerhouse engines, and refinements inside and out, this truck continues to prove why it's one of the best in its class. Whether you need it for work, play, or both, the Tundra is built to deliver. What do you think of the 2026 Tundra? Are you excited about the new features? Or would you stick with the current model? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.